Hi, today we'll see how to make AutoSizer responsive with respect to the number of elements in the list. That is, when the list size is dynamic. We know very much that AutoSizer is responsive, but it is responsive to the container which is present in, not with respect to number of elements it contains. Let me show you an example. Let me type Amis. So yeah, if I reduce or increase the size, the list is responsive to the screen size. But that's not my issue. My issue is when there is lesser than 4 elements. Let me show you. Yeah, this list size or the drop down size doesn't reduce. See, for 3 elements there's an extra space. It's one element also, still the space remains same. So how to tackle this? Let me show you. Now what we need to do is we'll remove this responsive height given and uh, remove the height that is being passed and disable the height passed. Next thing is we'll create a function which I've already written. I'll show you. The function name is calculate height. Let's go to that function. Yeah, what this function does is, depending on the number of elements in the list, it returns a specific size. For instance, when the search results length is 1, when it contains only one element, it returns a size of 40. When it contains two elements, it returns a size of 80, which is the double of it. And for 3, it's 120. And when it's more than 3, like 4, 5, or how many ever, we need not worry about setting the size dynamically, because after that we don't want to increase the list size or the drop down size. After this particular threshold, we want to maybe scroll to see the additional element. Okay, let's save this code and refresh it. Now let me type the same amaze. Yeah, okay, it accommodates 4 elements. Let me reduce the number of elements. Okay, it accommodates 3 elements and there's no extra space. Let me make it 1 element. Yeah. Now you can see that there is no additional space. It only has the required space for displaying that particular element alone.